ki pulit ka rib hoy mentang singi kila yok kurup kenai kilo ganja na ka wei ka truck ka padang hiar shagohti u Michael Marang OC ka Nongpoh police station ulet ho bahadin ka jingyo jingtep ka babanya ki pulit kila pen up shrub ha national highway ha ka tha Nongpoh na do ka performance step but yo bat ya ka wei ka truck ka badan your registration number NL02 N2630 ha ka jing talasi ki pulit kilalap bon tili ki song Henry tang atli ki dei ki song ganja ki wei pat ki dei tang dieng kan bala song lang bala suba ba ka dan ka jing ne tu ha ka jing khai ganja la kem ru yong nong nya trong ubla tep ka teng kum u geram sha boro arp saus nam na bhalupung merang sri tespur pat ka jing toket kadang nya shakman banlam ya ki budan ti ha ka ne ka jingja
Hindi ganja.
Hindi ya.
Ay tari.
Hindi ganja.
Tari.
Ulam mix lang.
Caku.
lang, Troy. Belum fresh Troy tadi.
सब्जी बनाओ इसको खिलाओ वो भी एक केस है एक ही लग रहा है हाँ पैसा नहीं दिया ना क्या इसलिए
Today, we got a source information that one truck is carrying some contraband substances. On receiving the information, we have put up a Naka checking both in Umsning and in Nongpoh. So during the Naka checking, we have intercepted one truck bearing registration number NL02 N2630, and one person was detained by the name Geram Shah Boro. He is the driver of the truck, and on checking from the truck, we have recovered 9 kg of ganja, and the formalities are being done by our staff, and the truck has been seized and the driver is arrested.